Okay, it's Friday night. I just got back from work and want to get the lawn mowed and mark off all my sprinkler heads so that I don't have to mow and do all this tomorrow morning when I get the aerator. It's the big weekend of the year. We're going to be aerating the lawn, we're going to be fertilizing the lawn, we're going to be overseeding the lawn. So a lot of stuff going in tomorrow, a lot of stuff going down, and so I want to get a good jump on it by starting tonight so that I have less to do tomorrow. So with that, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, it feels good to have that done. It's always nice to clean up the yard and trim the edges and make things look really nice. Get everything ready for tomorrow. So the last thing I want to do today is just go through and mark off each sprinkler. I have little red flags that I just poke in the ground right next to them. So tomorrow morning when I come back with the core aerator, I won't have to worry about running over any sprinkler heads. So I got these flags from Home Depot. You can get a whole bunch of them really cheap. This is way more than I need, but they're perfect for marking off your sprinklers. One year I actually used spray paint. That worked pretty well, but it hangs around a lot longer than I wanted it to. So I'll use these flags from now on. I just keep them after I'm done using them if they're not destroyed, which is probably another good reason you get a bunch of them. So we'll mark off all the sprinklers with these flags and then we'll be ready to go for tomorrow. So in this area here I have pop-up heads. It's the only area of my whole yard that has pop-up heads. And they're buried kind of deep in the ground. They come up high enough when they spray, but they're hard to see without actually turning them on. So we'll turn them on and then we'll mark the flags. Hopefully we don't get too wet. Flags are out and all ready to go. You can see them throughout the yard there. But that's it for tonight, and we'll look forward to waking up a little earlier than usual tomorrow and getting a jump start and getting everything done. Okay, that's all done now. I'm really glad to have that done. It always makes a big difference around the fall time to have that done. And we got some really good cores out of there, and it just makes it a lot easier to get a jump on next spring and get a little more seed to soil contact for my overseeding that I'm going to do in the backyard here now, and just really makes all the difference. So after I finish aerating, I always keep the cores in the grass. I don't usually rake them out. I keep them in there because they'll break down naturally. They'll end up going away over time. It takes a couple weeks. But if you don't like them in there, you can rake them out. I'm keeping them in there now, especially because it will help with my overseeding, and it will help retain moisture for the new seed. Okay, here's today's recipe. We're gonna put down, this is the grass seed here. It's a 40-pound bag, and I'll show you what's on the label here. I just got this at my local distributor, and so you can see it's a mix of Kentucky bluegrass and perennial rye, and it looks like it originated from Washington and Oregon. And so there's 40 pounds here for the backyard. It's 8,000 square feet. It's gonna go down at 4 pounds per thousand. It should help fill in some bare spots there. And then we're gonna throw down a full application of Milorganite on the whole lawn. And then this is just some starter fertilizer I got on sale. I found it at Walmart. It's a 24-25-4, so it has a little bit of everything in it. A little bit more nitrogen than I want to put down, but we'll make sure to water it in really well, and we should get really good results from this. Really digging this color combination here. Nice colors. You got blues and grays and whites. That's a pretty fertilizer. Looks good.
Everything about you. Everything about you.
So that'll do it for today. A lot of work done today. I think it's about 2 o'clock now, and I started at 7 in the morning. It's been a busy day, but I'm really glad to have all that done. I'm I'm looking forward to the results, and I love this time of year. It's almost as good as spring, almost as good as just getting started for the year. It's that time where the temperatures are coming down and the grass just thrives, and it's really fun to watch. So thanks for watching these videos, and we'll see you in the next one.